You've stumbled across this video because you have a severe case of boredom? Oh no!
So bored.
Somebody help me! But not to fret. Wherever we have slime, we have a good time. I have compiled a list of 5 things to do when you're bored to curb your boredom, starting off one of the most fun things you can possibly do in your life to make your own slime. Now you might be saying to yourself, Erin, but you're not good at making your own slime. And to that I would say, that's honestly really hurtful and rude, and I don't know why you would say that. Just kidding, it's actually true. I'm not very good at making my own slime, so I have this tub of slime that somebody else made. I trust Peachybbies professional slime chefs a little bit more with the slime making than I trust myself. This is a memory butter slime that I have here today. It's gonna work really well for the rest of the things on the list that we have. Speaking of which, our next thing is painting your slime. Now you guys might remember I've done this before, but it was different last time because I did an entire bin of slime, and this time I'm going to be using the paint to dye the color of my slime. So if you're following along with me at home to try to curb your boredom, I would suggest making a plain white slime and then let's color it together. So I'm just gonna flatten out my slime to make a nice little canvas for my painting. And because Christmas is now over and the next most exciting holiday coming up is Valentine's Day, I'm going to be doing a bit of a Valentine's Day theme painting. Instead of just going in and painting whatever I want, I'm going to do this very strategically. I want to only pick out the colors that I want this slime to end up being because I'm using this paint instead of my dye. I'm going to make a nice little heart. When I'm painting with slime, I typically like to just mix the colors directly on the slime because if you mess up, it really doesn't matter because you can just pick the slime up and start again. So the color vibe for this slime is gonna be nice, cute pastel colors. Look at how smoothly and beautifully this paint just glides across the slime. I guarantee it is impossible to be bored while doing this. And there we go, there we have it. Our beautiful slime painting is finished. Now, what you do next is kind of up to you. You can either let it dry and see if maybe you can preserve it, or what I like to do is use the paint to color the slime. But if you're gonna do this, you 100% need to have gloves because you do not want to get paint all over your fingers. This is like finger painting. It's so cool. That looks really pretty. I could see that on a t-shirt. This is a really cool and exciting way to dye your slime because it gives a completely different effect than using food dye or watercolor. It has all these cool different lines in it, and it makes a super soft pastel version of whatever you painted. And just like that, I have this beautiful light pink slime that not only did I get to color myself, I also got to have an amazing art project while I did it. Now on to the next thing on my list, which is making your slime come to life. Kind of. You guys have seen us do this before, but I have never done it before with a memory butter slime. I've only done it with clear slime, so I'm super excited to see how this is going to react. If you don't know, these are iron filings and I have a giant magnet, so when I add all of these into the slime, it should create a magnetic effect that will cause the slime to move. I just have to very carefully mix them in because they are so tiny. If they start falling out, they're gonna get absolutely everywhere. It's starting to make my slime look kind of like vanilla ice cream, which is pretty cool. If you're doing this for the first time and you have the option to use a clear slime, I would probably take that option because it is a lot faster and easier. Can you see it moving? Wow, it's alive! Every time I've ever done that, I've had a fantastic time. So if you can get your hands on some iron filings and a magnet and you stick it in your slime, it's literally the perfect way to play with iron filings, in my opinion. I would highly suggest this one because I am so severely entertained, I forgot what boredom was for a second. That's all I'm saying. But the next one will also be very exciting. Studies indicate that 99% of people who are bored don't have friends. So it's time to make your own friends with your slime. So this obviously doesn't apply to me because I do have a friend. But Anna's not at work today, so I am bored. But I'm going to make a new friend with clay and slime. The people who are making all of the clay sculptures for all of the slimes that we sell use this exact clay, and they make so many friends over there. They're never bored over there. I don't know what I'm making. I haven't thought that far ahead. Okay, you guys, I have a circle. So that's gonna be the head of somebody. I don't know who. Frog or panda, could be either, you don't really know. I'm definitely not cut out to be a slime maker. This looks really bad. But it's gonna be cute in a second. Give it a second. Now I'm going to think outside of the box, and I'm going to paint this little guy, because every panda frog needs a color. And there we have it, a completed panda frog. It kind of just looks like a white bear got his hands in mud. And now, just like that, I have a friend. But what is this? Panda frog is bored. Oh no! How could this happen? The panda frog has become bored. This whole point of this video is ruined because the panda frog experienced boredom. And no one's supposed to experience boredom in this video, but it's fine because all he needs is a slime. And now he is no longer bored. It is time to incorporate panda frog into the slime. Oh gosh. This is an emotional roller coaster. You have to make a friend and then squish them in your slime. I didn't really think this through when I was coming up with the idea for this video. I thought like, oh yeah, make a little sculpture out of slime, that would be fun, but I didn't consider the fact that you're gonna get emotionally attached to that sculpture and then have to put it in the slime. So I guess do whatever you want with your sculpture. But if you add clay into your slime, it will typically change the texture, which is overall, technically, normally a good thing. It makes playing with your slime a brand new experience, which definitely helps to get rid of boredom. So in the end, I would definitely suggest that one if you are mentally strong enough for it. Our next and maybe most exciting idea is to add a random object into your slime. Now, somebody sent me a Christmas present, even though it is past Christmas when I'm opening it, it is still a Christmas present, so I'm excited to open it. But I have no idea what is inside of this package. So whatever I open up, no matter what it is, I have to add it into my slime, which is kind of like slime roulette, I guess, which is exciting and definitely will get rid of your boredom. Also, if you guys want me to open more packages from you, make sure you send the packages to this address. A lot of you guys have been sending them directly to the warehouse, which is great, and we've been receiving them, but we'd like to get all of your packages here from now on. And also, get this video to 5,000 likes if you want me to do another video where I'm just opening all of your slimes, because I would love to do another one of those videos if you guys want me to. So if this video hits 5,000 likes, I'll do a whole video on it. Here we go. Let's see what's in here. To Erin. This package is from Eloise. Thank you so much, Eloise. Oh no! This is a tragedy. The most adorable Stitch I've ever seen with a very cute outfit on. To add him into my slime? I'm so sorry. She also sent me a handmade clay peach. That's adorable. And a giant poppet. And she also sent me a slime she wants me to fix. So I'm kind of going to be fixing the slime. Although I'm not putting it in a fixing slime video, I think, honestly, this texture feels pretty good. She also gave me this little clay peach. If this is soft clay, then I think she wants me to add it onto it. So this is her slime. Thank you so much for sending this, Eloise. This is adorable. Honestly, the texture of this, not bad. This is a pretty great slime. It's a little bit sticky, but besides that, it's fantastic. We're gonna remove Stitch from this for a second. Okay, it is time to assemble this slime into my other slime. Squish it down. That feels really cool. Honestly, I think I got pretty lucky with this package. This is an awesome package. Thank you so much for sending it, Eloise. I hope you are satisfied with how I am choosing to fix your slime, because it is a bit unconventional. But just so you guys know, if you send me a package, there's a chance it may be used for something other than fixing it. I'm going to be randomly choosing some of the packages that you guys send me to open in random videos that are also not the fixing slime videos. So keep an eye out. If you've ever sent me a package, there's a chance it might be in a video that you don't expect. This is awesome. Look at how much the color has changed from Eloise slime. It looks really good. And now all I need to add is the finishing touches. So a giant poppet, a tiny poppet, and the coolest Stitch you've ever seen. And there we have it. This slime has come such a long way today, and it has thoroughly entertained me the entire time. Boredom is now dead, and slime lives on. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below other things that you guys love to do with slime when you're bored, and I will see you next time.